Robin Uthappa. When a young achiever aspires to take his career into sports, there are a lot of inhibitions about it. Because of peer influence. How far do you think it is true?
Can you just repeat the question, please?
A young achiever aspires to take his career into sports. There are a lot of inhibitions about it. Something it's because of peer influence. How far do you think it is true?
Well, it is relatively true. Sometimes it's a fad to pick up a sport because my best friend's playing it, so I'm just going to jump along and play it. That, especially in a team sport, there is that herd mentality. But again, like all of us are talking here about how passionate you are, and like how Pawan was saying, you need to be mad about it. At the end of the day, if you're crazy enough about something and you can't stop thinking about it, like if you wake up in the morning, if I'm waking up in the morning, if I'm only thinking of batting, if I'm only thinking of bowling, if I'm only thinking of fielding, then I know that's what I want to do. And then after a point, peer pressure or peer influence becomes inconsequential about as far as choosing a career is concerned. I think not just sport, any other career for that matter. If you're crazy about it, if you're passionate about it, and if you want to do it, and no matter what, you'll find a way to do it.
Yeah. Competition is a way of life. I would say we need to focus externally on competition, but if you compete with ourselves, we will be able to compete better. Compete with yourself.
I just want to add to that. At the end of the day, 20 years down the line, if you're in school, if you're a top grader, if you're a top ranker, 20 years down the line, or if you got 95% in your 10th standard exams, or you got 97% in your 12th standard exams, 20 years down the line, I doubt even you will remember that achievement. At the end of the day, the competition is with yourself. You're not competing with anybody else. At the end of the day, it's how you can sleep with yourself 20 years from now, or 10 years from now, or even every day for that matter. What kind of effort you put into your work, into what you're passionate about, into what you love every day. If you love what you do, it won't even seem like work. It'll be fun to do every day. You'll want to do it every day.
So when you compete with yourself, you still do it till the day you die.